share. Just finding my own words without even knowing.
Hello mga Bebs! So for today's video ay may attendan tayo ngayong big event at nandoon ang Apo Hiking nila Zainab at Ray Park. So let's go!
Idol niya to, tingnan mo. May
Nag-vlog
parado mo.
Guys,
ano idol mo?
outfit check.
Mga kaibigan, maganda yung lineup today. Nandyan yung Apo Hiking Society, Chocolate Factory, nandyan din sila Zainab and Ray Parks, nakita ko sa post.
Gutom na kami guys, kain muna kami dito sa may... Kain muna kami guys kasi gutom na kami. Ayun, nandito kami ngayon sa may Pili Diversion. Bilis na. Maganda yung place dito guys, nakaka-relax naman. Bulolo kita. Pork sisig and bulalo. Okay na yan, kasya na. Kuya, isa pong pork sisig, tapos isang bulalo. Ano pa sa'yo?
May tuna ka mo ba rin? Opo, available. Grilled tuna. Isa dit lang. Large po.
Ilang rice sa'yo? Dalawa, isa? One rice lang sa akin, kuya. Wow! For the first time. Charis na. Isang large bulalo. Kuya, good for large bulalo? 2 to 3. Okay. Thank you. Kain muna kami bago
Gusto mo nga rin dynamite?
Dynamite, oh, pwede.
Available mo ba rin?
Kain muna kami, guys.
Ayun.
Bago kami mag-party-party. Anong in-order mo?
Pinakro, duwa.
Ay, yung pinakro digdi.
Yung mga nililigawan.
Apo rin. Payo, bata. Girlfriend ko na to.
Yung mga manliligaw dyan, the next song is The Moment to Make Your Move.
Ano?
Ngayon,
Yan na.
yung mga nililigawan, this is the moment
Yan na.
to tell him to make his move. Ngayon, just give each other the sign of peace.
Sandal mo sana ang ulo mo sa una. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Nanonood ng Apo Hiking Society for the first time. Pumalakpak.
Oh, first time.
First time. First time kayo lahat?
First time.
Bakit? Kasi libre, no? Hindi na inabot tayo.
True. Paano mo yun idol?
Inaabot
Paano mo naging idol?
Okay. Pero mga kaibigan,
There I was.
ang tawag namin sa mga first time watchers ng Apple ay Apple Virgins. Ilan ang mga Apple Virgins dito? Clap your hands! Proud Virgins! Ikaw, Virgin? Anyway, okay. Okay, ganito yan. Wow!
Bata ako nalalaman ko to. Naamin ko rin na kulang ang aking nalalaman at nauunawaan. Ngunit kahit talaga ang buhay, lagi kang nasasabihan. Pagkat ikaw ay bata at wala pang nalalaman. Please share, just minding my own world without even knowing what love about, all about. Then you came, you brought me out of the shell, you gave the world to me, and before I knew, there I was, so in love with you. You gave me the reason for my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I'm gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. I love the touch of your hair. You gave me a reason for my being, and I love what I feel. You gave me a meaning to my life. Yes, I've gone beyond existing, and it all began when I met you. You gave me a meaning to my life. It all began when I met you. You taught me how to love. You showed me how tomorrow and today, my love, is different from the yesterday I knew. You taught me to love, and darling, I will always cherish you. Today, tomorrow, and forever. And I'm sure when the evening comes around, I know we'll be making love like never before.
Sa buhay na binana, isang maling akala na ang taliwas kung minsan sabay-sabay kamson! Kahit na naman yun, ika'y nasusunod. Dito ako sa walang tao, nakakaya sa walang sayo. till my feet could come blows. Could come blows. Till my feet could come blows.